Hello friends, how are you? Enjoying? Do you want to listen a story today? Okay, we will listen a story. Okay? And it is a moral story. And the name of the story is Fingers Family. So let's watch this story. Give a big hand. Once upon a time, there was a family of fingers. One day, they started fighting with each other. The thumb finger said, I play a major part in holding the things with the hand. Also, if I sign up, if I sign upwards, it means best of luck. And if I sign downwards, it means bad luck. Hence, I am the most superior and so best in all. Hearing the thumb, the forefinger said, I am very powerful. As if somebody keep me on his lips, it means to maintain silence. Shh. Children use it while reading. I am also called index finger. Hence, I am superior to every finger in this race, and so I am the best. Then it was the chance of the middle finger to express his views. I am the most superior to all other fingers, as I am the tallest finger in the hand. All other fingers are smaller in size than me, so I am the best and most superior. Now it was the time of ring finger to tell how it was the best finger. All Everybody call me ring finger. I am most precious finger in the hand. It's me, the ring finger, wearing the ring, which makes the occasion of a person so memorable. So I am the best and the most superior to all. At last, the little finger's chance to speak, but little finger kept silent. All the other fingers soon broke into a huge laughter. Ha 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 ha. Little finger started crying. I am the tiniest and have no great thing about me. I am the weakest finger. The girl was very much disappointed on the behavior of other fingers. She said, stop laughing at her. When we do prayer, the God watches the little finger first. So, the little finger is the most special and blessed finger in the hand. God has made everyone equal yet special. He has gifted all of us some talents. We are equal, unique in our way. When we do prayer, the thumb finger is nearest to us. So we must do prayer for those who are closest to us. They are particularly our parents, our friends, and our relatives. The next finger is pointing finger. We must do prayer for those who teach, instruct, and heal. They are teachers and doctors. They point us the right direction to follow. So, we must do prayer for our teachers and our doctors. The next finger is the tallest finger. It reminds us of our leaders. So, we should do prayer for our leaders also. Now, the ring finger is the softest finger. It reminds us to pray for those who are weak in trouble or in pain. And lastly comes the little finger. It reminds us to pray for ourselves. Pray God not to remove all our pains and sufferings, but pray to have the backup of God always with us in any circumstances. Right? So children, now thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God for the birds that sing. Thank you God for the everything. Thank you.